Hey guys, and here we are back with another video, and I hope you are all okay on that side of the screen. And today to share with you my experience on achieving another small corner of my setup, and today with a automatic screen projector and of course also the installation of a projector on the ceiling. So I'm going to share with you guys especially my experience with these two items, and then on the next video I will share with you my experience with the projector itself. And let me start by mentioning that if you have a wall similar to mine, which is a light gray, there's not the need for a screen projector because the projector will give a great image. But in my particular case, I wanted to keep the option of having a TV on the wall, and then when I wanted to use the projector, just scroll down the screen projector, and that was it. So this was the main reason to get the screen projector. I will leave some links down below for the screen projector, for the projector ceiling mount, and also for the projector, although I'll be talking about on a dedicated video about the projector and my experience, and of course all the technical specifications and so on and so forth. So let me start by saying that one of the challenges that I found was when mounting this screen projector, I couldn't mount it on my ceiling because I've got a fake ceiling which is fragile, and I don't know the technical name, but you guys will see by some images that it's fragile, and if we put too much weight, I was afraid to breaking. So my challenge was to give roughly 15 to 16 centimeters from the wall, and that was one of the reasons that I couldn't mount directly on the wall. So one of the things that I got were two supports for shelves, and I'm sure that there's a technical name for that, but I can't recall, and I'll show you some images right over there. But basically those things that we use on a wall to put some shelves. And what I did was to get two of them with the right distance that I wanted. In my particular case, 20 centimeters, so that I could achieve those 15 to 16 centimeters from the wall. I did mount them on the wall just next to the ceiling, and what I got was a very strong connection right over there, so no worries at all. And I was able to get through my first challenge, which was to get it away from the wall, that 15 to 60 centimeters. And as you can see some images, I was able and really happy once I did put it down and it was in the right measurement. So really nicely. Now, one of the things that you guys may watch by some images as well is that all the wires were through the wall and through the ceiling. So I'm not seeing anything at all right over here, not for the TV and also not for the screen projector. Now, regarding the remote control, I was a little bit concerned that the infrared would not work through the ceiling, but it works just fine, so no worries. We can hide that big box that comes, that we can press up and down and so on and so forth, and just use the remote, which is what I use right over here, and it has a great range because I just pressed, I don't know if you heard or not, and it just started to go. So just great in regards to the screen projector. Now, regarding the installation of the projector, what I did was to get a ceiling mountable projector unit, if I can say so. I will leave the links down below so that you guys can check it out. It was really cheap actually, and what I did was to screw it to the ceiling itself, and I'm talking about the concrete ceiling that's above the fake ceiling that I've got here on my setup. And after that I did a few measurements so that I could do a cut, a really nice cut right over there to pass the arm of the projector mount. And after that, all I did was to put the projector itself, really easy to screw it in. And once again, the cables, all the electric cables, and also the HDMI to connect to one of my Android TV box. NVIDIA Shield, by the way, I was able to get it through the ceiling, and I don't see anything except with the cables that come out right over there, but I'm really happy with the results. Maybe a few touches here and there, but the project is almost finished. Now, in terms of distance, I'm a bit limited by this wall right over here, so I've got no choice, and the distance that I've got from the projector itself to the screen is only 2.30 centimeters, 2 meters and 30 centimeters, which will give me an image of roughly 70 inches, and I've got an 85 inches screen projector, which will leave me a big area, well, not very big, but an area that I can see that could be used. Now, in this particular case, the projector is only able to downside the image, so it doesn't lose quality. There are other projectors that zoom in images at the cost of losing quality. So in my particular case, I prefer it like this, even having a smaller image, but with a greater image quality. But I will give that details regarding the projector itself on the next video. Right now, I'm going to shut up and leave you guys with a full time lapse of all the work that I did, because I'm sure that I did forget some details, and if I did, I apologize for that. And if you still have any questions, any doubts regarding the installation that I did, please drop a line down below. I will answer as best and as fast as I can, as always. My name is Roberto Jorge. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, so don't forget that usual thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.